All right, so before we wrap it up here, I do have a special announcement to make actually. So with everything that has been going on, I do want to offer some support here. So if anybody is looking to learn Forex trading, I am offering a big discount off of the regular price of my course in order to support everyone. So basically I'm offering a 60% off discount. The Learn to Trade Forex course, which is regular price is $497. Only now during this time that we are going through this pandemic, you can buy it for $197. So after that, the price will go back to normal here. So in the Learn to Trade Forex course, what do you get? Basically, we have 8 modules plus a lot of bonus videos that are part of this course. We start from the very beginning, introduction to Forex. We talk about support and resistance, and then trending, markets, reversals, and then we look at top-down analysis, different trade setups, equity and risk management, and all of that. So you basically start from the basics and move into more of the intermediate level. And then in the bonus material, we have more of the advanced topics that are covered. In order to get this, you do need a coupon code because, like I said, regular price is $497. I'm offering $297 off, so it's only $197. So when you go to this link, tradingwithvenus.com/Forex, you do need to put this code in order to get the discount because, like I said, normal price is still $497. And the question is this, do you get lifetime access? Yes, you do get lifetime access. And actually, another thing is I'm updating this course. So anybody who signs up now will get the updated course as well. So it's been a little bit of time that I have done this. So now we are going to, so how's the math off? Is the math off? 300 for 500? Shouldn't be. Well, yes, slightly off. So that's okay. Just $300 off, basically, I should have said, not $297. You're only paying $197, not $497. So the code is "we got this" is the coupon code. All right. So with that, I will wrap it up here. Like I said, expect volatility in the market. So please be careful as you are trading, because like I said, market can be crazy right now, and I expect volatility to continue for some time now.